In this quick video, I'll show you how to upload file in Google Drive shared folder. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So this is my Google Drive. If you want to come here, then go to drive.google.com and sign in here with your Google account. So firstly, we will see how to create a shared folder. For that, tap on new, which is on left panel, and now tap on new folder and name your folder. I'll simply name it ABC. Then tap on create and your folder will be created. This is my folder. Firstly, I need to open it by double clicking on it. And now if you want to add something in your folder, for that simply go to new again and this time choose file upload and select the files which you want to upload in your folder. I want to upload these 4 files. Select it, then click on open and your files will be uploaded inside your folder. And to make this folder a shared folder, we just need to tap on this drop down arrow which is on the right side of folder name. We just need to tap on it, then go to share and now click on share. Then this window will open. Here you can see general access is currently set as restricted. If you want to share your folder to a specific person, then type here Gmail address of that person and then just hit on done and your folder will be sent to a specific person or a particular person. But in case if you want to share your folder to anyone, then change your restricted to anyone with the link and copy the link from here and paste it anywhere, and whoever has this link can access your folder and upload files in it. If you want to access the folders which are shared to you, then tap on shared with me section which is on the left panel. As you can see, this folder is shared to me by this Google account. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.